Hi guys, Nurse Abby, and I'm just going to do a review of this. This is a popular bed sore, pressure sore relief cream. It does not prevent bed sores or pressure relief injuries. It doesn't prevent them, but just if you have a spot of skin that is irritated, this is, hold on, we got two things on here. This is kind of the best way I can describe it is kind of like diaper cream. I will say it's not the easiest to open. It is kind of like a diaper cream for a pressure wound or a bed sore. You can see it's a real thick similar to a diaper cream. And you're gonna apply a fairly liberal amount of this onto your pressure injury, and it just keeps the wound protected a little bit and encourages healing. It is a greasy formula. I don't know if you can see that, but even after rubbing it in, it is a greasy formula. It does kind of sit on the skin. It is meant to do that. I will say it has a very pleasant smell. I smell a little bit of tea tree oil and I smell a little bit of mint. It has a lot of ingredients that are good for the skin. Let's take a look at the ingredients. You have beeswax, which is going to, again, provide like that barrier. That's why it doesn't just absorb in really good, like that's thick. And then calendula extract is very calming. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer that will not irritate your skin. Comfrey extract, I definitely could smell a little bit of that comfrey in there. Cottonseed oil is a moisturizer. Jojoba oil is a moisturizer. Magnesium oxide, MCT oil, peppermint oil. I could smell just a hint of peppermint oil. Sage oil, and then silver stearate, sunflower oil, tea tree oil. I definitely could smell just a hint of that. And then I have never heard of thuja extract. And then vegetable stearic acid and zinc oxide, and that zinc oxide is another skin protectant. So it has a lot of good things for your skin. It is thick, like a really thick diaper cream. And has a lot of good things to help calm and heal irritated skin. I hope that helps you know if it's something you want to buy. Again, it's just if you have a spot that is starting to get irritated from pressure or a bed sore, the best thing you can do is to get that pressure off of that limb to or hip or heel, wherever it is, to elevate and get that pressure off of it. But this is another good thing to add to that, but it won't prevent it. And it's not like you can just put this on and ignore the wound. You really need to get pressure off of that pressure sore area, bed sore area. Flip, rotate, move your body around a lot so it doesn't have pressure. But this is just a calming, skin soothing cream you can add in with that. Hope it helps you know if it's something you want to buy.